true or false output based on a probability. Is there a standard function for Python which outputs true or false probabilistically based on the input of a random number from 0 to 1? Example of what I mean. The above example, if given an input of, say, 0.7, will return true with a 70% probability and false with a 30% probability.
Given a function rand that returns a number between 0 and 1, you can define decision like this. Assuming that rand returns a value in the range 0.0, 1.0, so can output a 0.0, will never output a 1.0.
I use this to generate a random Boolean in Python with a probability. So to expand that, I came up with this myself, but it seems to work. Just use pyprob's library. It is very easy to use.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.